I am trying to. I love my attorney!
Okay, so the reason I'm stopping you is when you're coming down 22nd Street, you were weaving, made a big right-hand turn, and you rode the whole way down, right down the middle of the road.
Okay.
So, what's going on with that?
I'm sorry, I was just focused on getting back to Reservoir.
Hey, do me a favor, step out and talk to me for a second, please.
The address, because he's coming out waiting this down, so I'm in
How many alcoholic beverages have you had this evening?
I have no more than 2.
No more than 2?
Yes.
Okay. For you personally, are you wine? Are you mixed drink? Are you beer? What do you enjoy? Or what did you enjoy this evening?
I did have some wine.
Okay.
But, I mean, I've had food, like, I definitely don't feel intoxicated. Like,
Okay.
I am very sorry, like.
Do you have any issues, let's say, parking your car at a grocery store, walking in, going grocery shopping, and then coming back out?
If I don't have my glasses on, yes, I do. And I'm not gonna lie to you, like, I had one lens in while I was driving, because my lens fell out while I was in like, I literally have it in my backpack, like, I can show you, I just set it.
So, do you have an issue walking in a straight line or anything like that?
I mean, personally, without my glasses on, I don't know.
I'd like to check your eyes to make sure you're okay to drive. Are you okay with me doing that?
I'm okay with that, and if you don't think I mean, I have like 3 other people in the car, like, I definitely, seriously, like, it's seriously hard for me to see, like, the sign over there, I don't have my glasses on, like, I can't see the sign.
Well, fortunately, by looking at your eyes, it has nothing to do with glasses. In fact, if you were wearing glasses, I would ask you to actually take them off.
Okay.
So, hang on one second. Let me turn off these front strobes, okay?
Okay, yeah.
What I'm going to ask you to do is stand with your feet together, okay? All the way in your hands down by your side, just like this, all right? Now, what I'm going to ask you to do is I'm going to hold the pen up, and it's got a light on the end. I would like you to look at that light with your eyes, follow it with your eyes and only your eyes, but don't move your head, okay?
Okay.
Too much. All right, do you see the tip of the pen?
Yes.
What color is the tip of the pen?
Red.
Okay, like I said, follow with your eyes, only your eyes, do not move your head.
Okay.
You understand?
Yes. I'm just confused. I've never had this done as like a...
Just go ahead. Just relax. Just blink normally as you need to. Okay, go ahead and relax. Based on what I'm saying, I'm going to ask if you'd be willing to take some additional field sobriety exercises. Field sobriety exercises are a walk-in turn and a one-leg stand. Are you willing to perform those?
A walk-in. Okay, so I'm just so confused. Like, I was literally just trying to get my debit card.
I understand that.
Can I just be like 1,000% honest with you?
Okay.
If you like, I'm trying to be a mother within the next couple months.
Okay.
If you think I am impaired like
Are
that,
you pregnant?
I am trying to.
But you're not currently pregnant.
It's been a very hard struggle.
I mean, I have a child too, and I also have a business on the side. And I do this.
If you think that, like, I don't want this to affect my life. If you think that, then I will literally go in a hotel room.
I understand that.
Like,
So that's why
I don't think I'm impaired like
I'm
that.
trying to give you the opportunity to dispel my concerns.
I think I could dispel your concerns, but
So, would you like to participate in the field sobriety exercises? Are you okay with that?
I'm okay with that.
Okay, come on back over here. All right, ma'am, come on out for me, please.
No, this is necessary for me to be able to drive away.
These are standard exercises, yes.
Alright.
Okay, thank you. All right, so we're done with the line. Just come stand right here for me. Okay, this next exercise is the one-leg stand. Okay, feet together. Remain just like this. Don't move from this, okay? If you have no questions and you feel you understand, please begin.
Alright. 1019, 1020.
Okay, come on over. Let's put your shoes back on. Based on what I'm seeing, I'm going to place you under arrest for DUI.
Are you serious?
Yes. All right.
Somebody
Hang on. Stop. I just feel that you are impaired to operate a motor vehicle.
But I have somebody that could
Come
come
on
pick
with
me
me
up
over
if
here.
you feel like that.
I do
Please
feel
don't
like
ruin
that.
my life, man.
Okay. So she's going to come over here. Let's just step over in
Please
the
don't
car.
ruin my life.
I'm not going to ruin your life.
I have my own business. I'm trying to my family.
Do you have anything on your persons that you have?
Man, seriously, look at me, dude. No, I want to talk to an attorney.
Okay, you can talk to an attorney.
You know, it's copy of 4100 SFSTs, Chloe at 1278.
I'm gonna grab something. I'm gonna ask you if you want to submit to a breath test.
No, I don't. This is
Okay, listen to me. I'm gonna read you implied consent. Okay.
No, I don't consent to anything.
Okay.
This is
Yeah. Hear me
I
out.
don't give a shit. No,
Okay.
I don't.
Hear me out. I'm now requesting that you submit to a lawful test of your breath
Nope.
for the purpose of determining its alcohol content.
No.
Will you take the test that I'm requesting of you?
I will not.
If you refuse to take the test that I have requested of you, your driving privileges will be suspended for 1 year for your first refusal, or 18 months if your driving privileges have been previously suspended. Do you understand what I've read to you?
Honestly, no.
Okay, what's your question then, so that I can clarify?
I don't know. I've never been under arrest.
Okay.
Like, what the
So here's the deal. The state of Florida requires that you submit to a breath test. Now, I can't make you blow
I feel
into
like
the
all
breath
of this was
test.
very unlawful,
So
very
if
uncalled
you
for,
say no, I've read you
no,
implied
I want to
consent.
I want to call my attorney
Okay.
like right now.
If your right to remain silent has nothing to do with taking the approved chemical test for the purpose of determining the alcohol and or content in your blood. Not to do with anything for this approved test. Do you want to take the test that I've asked? Can you give me a yes or a no? Do you want to take the test that I've requested? Okay, I'm going to determine your lack of responsiveness. Okay.
I want a lawyer!
She said no.
Well, she's kind of losing her mind right now, so just relax. Did you notice all the vomit on the driver's
Hey,
side?
do you mind if I talk to her for like?
That's up to him.
She's super riled
I know,
up right
but
now.
I will.
I need her just to take a few minutes before I leave. Yes, but just give her a couple minutes, okay? Come on over here because there's a car
Of
coming.
course. I understand. Baby, listen. Baby, stop. Baby, stop. Baby, stop. Listen, I'm the only one that can calm her down. If you can hear any empathy in my voice, I just need to talk to
I
her.
understand, but right now I just need her to breathe and just do that, okay?
I know.
That's all.
I know.
I'm gonna turn
I
the
know you're
phone.
doing the best you can, but she's just freaking out. She has bad anxiety attacks,
I understand.
and she's freaking out.
Let me do what I have to do before I leave.
I could do anything I could do to like just talk to her.
Okay.
I would do it.
Like I said, absolutely. Just give me a couple minutes, okay? Okay. Just make sure you don't put anything in the car.
Put anything in the car?
Yeah. Like
Do you want my backpack?
No, you're good.
Okay.
Just
I just want
make sure you don't reach into the car.
Look at me.
You gotta take your hands away from the window, okay? Just right down here is fine.
I know, baby. It's okay. Look at me. We're gonna get you out. We're gonna bail you out. I'm not gonna bed until you get out, okay?
I'll explain the process so both of you understand. All right, there's an 8-hour hold.
8 hours.
No matter what, it's 8 hours from now.
I'm not gonna lie. I'm
Okay.
drunk, so I need to
So 8 hours hold,
Baby, you have to take
and
Erica.
right now it's a $500 bond.
I got you. Hey, just be respectful through this whole process. I know, honey.
They
I
are.
know it's scary. Just give me a couple minutes, please.
Well, I gotta get going because I'm on the clock.
I know. I get it. Hey, honey. He has to go. But listen, be respectful. I will call your dad, but be respectful to them. Be respectful to them, okay? I know, baby. I know it's scary, but this is the first time she's been arrested. So please be here. Baby, I know. I know, baby. Look at me. Baby, you've been through harder shit than this, honey, and I got your back with your job and with everything else. Look at me. I got your back. We're gonna take care of it.
I do need to go, okay?
All right,
So
okay.
her phone, so that you're aware. All right, no.
All right, can't kiss.
All right, so here's the deal. Her phone's turned off. She'll be able to get phone numbers out of it at Central Booking.
Yeah.
Okay, she'll be able to call you. She can
Right.
do all
She
that,
just
okay?
gave the number out of there.
All right, no, she can't.
No,
All right,
babe, I'll
ladies.
break into that and what's up, baby. I got you no
All right,
matter what.
ladies. All right, have a good one. All right, good night, ladies.
Don't worry, babe. I got you.
Lack of
I want my attorney!
Eventually, she was arrested and charged with driving under the influence of alcohol. All individuals featured on this channel are presumed innocent unless and until proven guilty in a court of law. This content is presented for news, informational, and educational purposes only.